bud, you ready to go get some serious fireworks?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So today we're gonna go get some fireworks stuff, and then we might go to the skate park because Matthew has a brand new skateboard and he's hoping to get to play with it before his birthday. I told him maybe, so we'll see. All right. Hey guys, I'm tired because I just mowed the yard because Matthew's birthday is tomorrow, but I did promise him that we would get some fireworks. So we're gonna go get the thing that he really likes. Matthew, you ready for some serious fireworks?
Yeah.
All right, we're here. Right, we're buying these serious fireworks. Matthew's not quite as excited about the big fireworks, but he loves poppets. And so we got some poppets. And then he wanted also to get the little parachute man. So we got that too. Let me pull that out, show y'all what we got here. They didn't have much in there. Like the stuff that I showed is pretty much all. But then we ended up getting the little parachute man. Let's flip it around. So that's pretty neat. I think it has a little parachute man in it. It just shoots out and the parachute man comes down. So that's pretty neat. So we'll do that one later. All right, guys, we're off to the skate park. I told him we'd probably go over there, so we're gonna do it. I'm a little bit tired from mowing the grass, like I said, but I know he really wants to try out his new skateboard and he's pretty excited about it. So is that right? Does that sound about right, Matthew?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Matthew, show everybody your new skateboard. Pretty sweet, huh? Nice. All right, let's go in there. Nice. Looks like it rolls pretty good so far. Did you want to go to the pool or are you going to skate around? Huh, bud?
I don't quite know where I'm going.
Okay. All right, go ahead and try something. I'm recording. See if it's as good as your other board. Might be a little harder to use. You're gonna have to push a little bit and jump on. Yeah, no, just put your other foot on it and go down. Hold your foot like that and then put your other foot on it and go down. There you go. Put it on the edge and do that. All right. All right, let's see. There you go. Oh, sweet. How's it riding? How's it riding?
Good.
Is it a little harder to use than your other smaller board?
Yeah, because it always goes backwards.
It's probably just the way it's made. Okay, be careful. Stay out of people's way too.
I am.
Are you gonna try it from there? No, ride it down, bud. You gotta practice. You almost hit that dude. Be careful.
Let's go up to the pool.
All right, let's go.
Thanks.
There, you got it. Oh, be careful. All right, let's see how it does. Looks like it rides pretty good in the bowl. There you go. There you go. Oh, you all right?
I'm good.
All right. This one looks like it's a little harder to keep your balance on than that other one. Hey, buckle your helmet, bud. Deal?
Yeah.
All right. Dang, that thing's fast. Are you ready? You gonna skate some more? Or are you ready?
That's first gonna see if we can skate together.
What?
I'm probably gonna ask if we can skate together. And if he can teach me a few tricks.
Well, you can ask him and he can teach you a few tricks, but he's probably trying to skate on his own, bro. Matthew met this other younger guy, and he's like jumping stairs and stuff, so he wants to see if he can show him some tricks. I think you just need to practice on this board first because it's different than your other one. There you go. Hey, practice turning it with the back of it. Hey, Matthew. Matthew. Practice turning it with the... Hey, get on the board and practice turning it. That way you can get used to it. Because it's a bigger board. All right, get on it. All right. Yep. Now practice turning. There you go. Keep turning. There you go. Keep turning. See? It's a little harder for you to balance on this one. You've only been doing it about a few weeks, so you'll be really good eventually. Well, okay. Come on, hold you still. Hold on. All right, put your other foot on. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. There you go. Not too bad for the first try.
Yeah, not bad.
I mean, you're coming down a steep incline.
Yeah, but it's pretty steep.
Yeah, you gonna try it again?
Maybe.
Okay.
But
Give it a little push, then jump. Push and then jump on it. No, you gotta learn to push, because that's the main thing. There you go. How does this board compare to your other board?
it's a bit better, but just a few things I can't get used to.
Like what?
It's kind of harder to turn on my thing, and
Because it's a little bit bigger, or what?
You know what? It's practically nothing.
You pretty far out of focus now, bro. Just like a roller coaster, I guess. Shoots off. There you go. All right, try and come backwards. Oh. You skating up the ramp or what?
Yep.
All right. All right. You gonna actually ride it down your feet?
Not by stance.
You crazy boy. You gonna ride down the hill one more time before we go? Matthew.
Yeah.
All right, you ready? Seems like the board floats. Like when you push it, it floats easier than the other board. Now you want to kick, buddy. Practice your kicking. Watch out for the road. Watch out for cars.
Well, guys, we're about to light this firework.
All right, here we go.
Run!
Hey, look.
Oh, there it is.
Look at it. Show it.
Yeah, we're
Show it on video. Just one parachute's all you got? Yeah. Hang on.
falling down.